Oh, guys, we are here. I wish I had a. There you go. We are here changing some spark plugs, spark plug wires. I got a few things to change on this truck, and I felt like this was going to be an easy job. And not that it's not easy, but look, I already got cut up a couple of times. This whole area is really bad. I'm not gonna lie. They angled the spark plugs. I'll show you. We'll bring it down. Boom. See that spark plug? That's one. That's one. That's two. Right? One cylinder. Two. So I just replaced those beautiful guys. Right, and then we got this one that we have to take out. So let me see if I can record it, you know. But basically, you're supposed to wiggle, and then pull. There's a tool, but these are all like burnt. See? Oh, it actually came out, no problem. But there you go. That's the. So this wire is technically good. Then the other two broke. But that's what I was trying to explain. But I'm still gonna replace them. I bought a whole kit. And the way these are angled. It's hard for me to record today too, guys. I forgot they're doing construction. But the way this one is angled, you have to really get into this car. So I'm gonna get back to you. This is what we're doing. So I did one side, right? Well, I'm about to replace that one, and then go to the other side. Like I said, they're doing construction, so we're gonna have to make this quick. Been doing construction for a little while, so I don't know how long we're gonna have without them. No, that's not that long. Welcome to New York, though, man. This is how it is. I guess I get to give you guys an understanding of what they do normally in New York City. All right. But anyways, we got Motorcraft. The last ones that were in this car was Bosch. So, I mean, somebody took care of it. All right. Tips all burnt. So, damn. Tips are burnt, they are fried, so they definitely need replacing. The gap looks different, honestly. I don't know. This could have been the wrong spark plugs, but the car never gave me any check engine lights on the spark plug or shit like that. So I'm just changing this because of power. Lost a lot of power, so we're gonna put Motorcraft back to original in this car. But I'm already done, you know, so I just tightening at this point. I mean, I got it like that. Now, got a small one, and we got this longer one. Obviously, the longest one goes to the back, so on and so forth. You're gonna pick 3 for this side. They don't really tell you. They don't tell you the side. They just pick whichever one's best for you. You're gonna go with the longest one. Actually, it looks like the 3 longest ones go on one side, and the shorter ones go on the other side. I'll double check. Exactly. 3 long, 3 short. I wanted to show y'all before I clip it up. Right. I'm gonna take one out. Match it. get it on there for the connection, but I guess whatever. Here's the mess. Oh man, they keep on stopping and then they going. It's annoying. Or whatever, they're doing some street work. So this is the final, half side. The half side. I don't have to show you the other side. I'm gonna show you the finished product, but I don't have to show you it. So obviously clean side, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's pretty simple, nice and clean at this point, right? Everything is put in. I got the valve covered. I was gonna change it today. Right, it's just the extra work. I gotta figure out some hose things. I gotta change the bracket. It's a bunch of stuff. So before we get to the valves, I'll do the valves next week. We're gonna work on this right now. This is one song.